Hi, today is Thursday, August 28th, 2025. This is my second reading for the day. It's 8:14 a.m. I'm just sitting, I'm just perched on the edge of this HVAC battery strip, hiding from the strong morning sunlight because it's the summer, right? And it's there are some breezes in the roof on the rooftop, so it's cool, rather humid cool. Right? I would like to read this article, second reading for the day, to practice English. Right. This article is from Physics Facts, and I don't know who is the author. It's a very small article. Interesting Photoshop. I don't think there's a colorful iris looking structure underground, but there's a Photoshop. Ancient Sahara city revealed by 3D radar proves lost civilization had impossible technology. The Sahara Desert has always been a point of interest for archaeologists, but it surprised everyone in 2025 when 3D radar technology revealed the existence of an entire city buried beneath the sand. The underground metropolis spans 50 square kilometers and contains structures that couldn't have been built with non-ancient technology. The city features perfectly circular buildings with walls that show no seams or construction joints. Why? Suggesting they were formed from molten stone using techniques beyond current engineering capabilities. Probably it was a water reservoir, right? Because there are no seams, means no water seepage. Most mysterious are the massive underground chambers connected by tunnels that maintain perfect acoustic properties, allowing whispers to carry clearly across kilometer-long distances. The architecture includes spiral towers that extend deep underground rather than up. Interesting. With mathematical proportions that match no known ancient civilization. Dating suggests the city was abandoned around 8000 BCE, predating known advanced civilizations by thousands of years. Wow, that's amazing. Korean history started like 5,000 or 6,000 years ago. 5,000 or 6,000 BCE, right? China also has the same cultural background as Korea. The discovery implies that sophisticated technology existed in prehistoric Africa before being lost to climate change and desertification. Right? Desertification. Spiral tunnel. There's no particular subject, and it's just that 3D radar images show that there are some spiral structures built into that extend into downward instead of up, and the acoustic sounds carry over the kilometer. Right? It has a perfect acoustic characteristics. There are no seams in the circular structure, so probably, and they are connected with the tunnels. So probably the structures were used for carrying water. Right? So nothing substantial, but interesting technological developments there. Right? So that's it. It's kind of bland but interesting. Thanks for your time and have a great Thursday. Bye bye.